Do you hate when you finish frothing your milk, you put it on your coffee, and then it just breaks back down into milk again? None of that delicious foam left over? Well, I'm going to show you what you've been doing wrong all these years. You've got to do it in reverse. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some cold milk, some cold flavoring, and then we're going to show you how to make some froth that lasts. So first thing we're going to do, put a little bit of flavoring. I like a little bit of vanilla in the bottom of a glass. Then we're going to add just a little bit of milk. Doesn't take a lot for good foam. Now we're going to hit it with the aerator while it's cold again. You'll see it stops at a certain point and doesn't get any higher. Now we're going to take that, bring it over to the microwave, hit it for 30 seconds. Now we're going to wait. And pretty soon you're going to see it start to rise. And before it gets to the top of that glass, now we're going to stop. The proteins have been denatured. Now we'll take that foam we just made, pour it into our coffee, and you're going to see that is going to be the thickest, nicest foam you'll ever see. And that foam will last.